Assalamu alaikum children. So today we are going on to the chapter like the part adverb phrases. Okay. So when it comes to adverb phrase, right? Uh, Before we move on to adverb phrases, there's a small note you need to know, right? About the main clue in finding out, in identifying an adverb phrase in a sentence, the main clue, right? So before we see this note, right? What is adverbs? You need to revise that, right? You need to remember that before we move on to this chapter. Adverb phrases. Adverbs mean, always remember, they are describing words which describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Always remember that. So now you can copy this note in your writing book, right? Under the topic adverbs and adverb phrases in your grammar writing book. Copy this note, right? There are certain questions to be asked to identify adverbs and adverb phrases in a sentence. In order for you to easily identify what is the adverb or the adverb phrase in a sentence, like there are some certain questions you ask, like when did this happen, right? You select the verb first from the sentence, then you ask the question when did they go swimming, when did they play, right? Like that. When, where, how, why, how often, how much, how complete. So this is the note you have to copy in your grammar writing book, right? Now after this we move on to adverb phrases, right? Adverb phrase, now I gave you all a clue, like asking those questions and finding out. So what is an adverb phrase? Now adverb phrase mean it performs the work of an adverb only. That means adverb phrase describes a verb or an adjective, right? It has the same function as an adverb. And adverb phrases, right? Like adverb phrases has an adverb compulsorily. Now like noun phrases have a noun, a verb phrase have a main verb, adjective phrase have an adjective. Like that, adverb phrases, right, they have an adverb compulsorily. Adverb plus other modifiers. Now here modifiers mean like determiners, articles, right? Those are the other modifiers, adjectives, right? We'll see this example. We usually go on holiday in August, right? We usually go on holiday in August. So here the adverb is underlined and the adverb phrase is highlighted, okay, in black color. The first one, now sometimes adverb phrases can be one word also. One word adverb phrase is also there, right? We usually, first one is a one word adverb phrase. Only one adverb is there, no modifiers, right? We usually go on holiday in August. Usually is the adverb phrase and it is the adverb also. Second one, time goes very quickly. Very quickly is the adverb phrase and very is the adverb, right? The day passed quickly enough. Like that. Now you have to find out using those questions only. Now for example, if you take the first one, where did you all go on holiday? When did you all go on holiday? How often do you all go on holiday? Like that, whatever the questions, hints I gave, you just ask those questions, right? And you will receive, and the answer will be there in the sentence itself. Suppose I ask the question, when do you all go on holiday? Right? Say in August. Or how often do you all go on holiday? Usually. How often? How many times? How often you go on holiday? Usually. How does the time go? Very quickly. Like that, when you ask that question using the verb in that sentence, you receive the answer. So that answer is in that sentence, it becomes the adverb phrase, right? Now, there's another thing you need to know, especially grade 8s, right? Adverb phrases, right? They have an adverb, especially they have an adverb as a main head word. They have an adverb, especially adverb phrases, right? There's another thing called grade 8s, right? Adverbial phrase, right? Grade 7s doesn't need this, but grade 8s need this. Adverbial phrase means they're talking about the prepositional phrases. Now I hope you all can remember when we were talking about prepositional phrase, we saw that a prepositional phrase can act as an adjective and an adverb both. So when prepositional phrase acts as an adverb, it is also called as an adverbial phrase. Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition, right? So here a prepositional phrase which acts like an adverb in the sentence is also called as an adverbial phrase. Adverbial, right? If there is an adverb in that phrase, it becomes adverb phrase, right? If the prepositional phrase acts like an adverb, it becomes adverbial phrase, right? That's all regarding adverb phrases, right?